Come on, turn on GoPro. There we go. Chase a fish, never chase a check. Woo!
Okay, I think it's time for me to change.
Here we go, camera. Guys, 10-pounder. Me and Matt got like 20 already. I'm just kidding. It's my third one.